Analou. Welcome to Ateneo Dabao's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add an activity assignment. This is the course section. To add an activity assignment, click Turn Editing On. Click Add an Activity Resources. Then, click on Assignment. This then takes us to the assignment setup screen. Type in the assignment name, for example, Assignment 1. The name is important because this is what the student will see in the course page. Type in the description. For example, describe what do you want to be in what do you want to be in the next 5 years of your life and around 200 words. If you want to include images, media links, just click on the appropriate icon. Then click Display Description on course page. You can also add additional files and upload here. Then, click on Save and Return to Course or Save and Display. That's all. I hope you learned from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Check our other tutorials as well. Enjoy learning. Thank you.